Welcome to Vectary, the 3D and AR content creation and sharing platform that runs in your browser. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use pre-made Vectary templates. In your dashboard, pick your desired template. We're going to choose the phone UI scene. Scene is loaded as a group of objects, the phone and the UI. We can shrink the phone group since we are not going to work with it in this template. Let's change images in the user interface. Select Background Object, navigate to Properties panel, and click on the Texture Input field in the Color section. Then hit Upload On. Pick the texture from your computer. Texture is now automatically rewritten in the Color section, but we can still see the previous image overlapping. The reason for this is that in this template, we are also working with emission input. The emission makes the display glow. To fix the overlapping, click on More Options, navigate to Emission Input, and select the already uploaded image. To fit your objects into the camera view, first select an object and click on Fit to View or hit A on your keyboard. Now let's change the image for the album cover. Just repeat the same process as before. Moving on to changing the 3D text. Most of the 3D text in Vectary templates can be modified. Select the 3D text, navigate to Properties panel, and change any parameter. We're going to rewrite ours to Running. Now, we are going to work with the background segment. Let's fit the view to front by hitting Tab key. To change the shape of the background segment, double-click on the object. This will take us to Edit mode, where we can work with mesh geometry. But don't worry, this is an easy one. Hover over the select icon and pick Marquee tool or hit M on the keyboard. Select the area to be modified by fitting it into the marquee rectangle and move it in with the gizmo arrow. Hit Escape key or click on the Object tab to get back into the object mode. Now, let's just rewrite the artist and song name the same way as we did with the running 3D text. To work with multiple objects or a group of objects, hold down Shift when selecting. Now we can rotate our selection. Move it above the shadow plane using Gizmo. Preview the lights and shadows by hitting Render Toggle. To embed your model into your website, go to Viewer tab, hit Generate, and wait while your model is being generated. When done, copy the HTML iframe link and paste it to your website. And that's it. For more tutorials, check out our Learn section.